Hi, today we're going to learn about the keyword this. First, let's type in here x int x equals 0 int x equal int y equals 0. And let's make a method public void method 1. Let's add in two parameters int x and int y. Write down this dot x equals x, this dot y equals y. Now also write down system dot out dot print print line this dot x plus this dot y. Now what we're going to do is we're going to call this method from new hello world HEL equals new hello world hello dot method 1. We're going to call this method from hello world. Okay. Now let's run this program. Oops. Let's see. Oh, we forgot to add parameters. 1 and 2. Run the program. 3. Now, what this program does is it gets it constructed a hello world so that we can use this method here, and this refers to this is used to refer to variables within the class, while x by itself refers to the parameter. So in order to refer to the parameters inside a class, this is used. And since in our method 1 is replaced with x, x is replaced by 1 and y is replaced by 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and here we can see it in our output, 3. Now we were to change we were to change this x to x plus 1, the value of this x to x plus 1, and y to y plus 1, and run it. We'll see 5. Instead of seeing x or 1 plus 2, which is 3, we'll see a 5 because this refers to this, and this refers to this y, and not this x and this y. And that's it for this. But that's it for the keyword this. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.